Laboratory managers plan, organize, manage and coordinate the operations of a research or production laboratory. They work in a variety of unrelated fields including pharmaceuticals, environmental and life sciences, manufacturing, geology and meteorology. To get this position, laboratory managers have usually had years of management experience in supervisory roles within research or production laboratory environments. Laboratory managers supervise the day-to-day activities in the laboratory. Each laboratory will be specialized for the type of lab work and equipment it needs to house. In the same way, the laboratory manager will have qualifications and extensive experience relevant to the research or industry tasks carried out by the lab. Laboratory managers require practical knowledge of lab management as well as strong analytical and problem-solving abilities. This position also necessitates exceptional communication skills, both written and oral, as well as excellent interpersonal skills. The lab manager interacts with all types of people: scientists, engineers, lab technicians, laboratory and manufacturing workers, and students. They need in-depth knowledge of health, safety, and environmental legislation as it applies to their specific laboratory environment. Although duties are specific to the nature of the laboratory and the work carried out, there are some aspects that remain the same. The manager organizes or undertakes the training of new laboratory staff. They arrange the staff duties and work schedules. If it is a university or research lab, the manager may take students through training and laboratory orientation. Lab managers need to be familiar with all the testing and measuring equipment and computer-controlled machinery and instrumentation in their lab. They establish lab procedures, create and manage lab-related documentation, and organize the laboratory activities. The lab manager may be responsible for assisting staff, students, or others by providing lab equipment documentation, as well as procedural and protocol guidelines. The lab manager oversees the maintenance of the equipment by the various lab technicians. For specialized repairs or maintenance, the laboratory manager will contact maintenance service providers. They carry out administrative tasks on a daily basis. This entails checking budgets, authorizing payments, and signing off orders. These managers check on stocks of chemicals, reagents, and other consumable supplies and order more when necessary. These managers use computers and specialized data software to manage the laboratory, as well as for creating reports and presenting results. Lab managers keep up to date with the industry standards. They investigate ways to improve research procedures. The common pathway for this position is a degree in the area of specialization. However, in many fields, a postgraduate degree will be required. Most laboratory managers will have worked for some years in a technical or senior scientist position before progressing to this role. Continued professional development is often required to maintain professional certifications. They may also be required to complete further studies in management.